Oh.
Ibabasahin ko yung nandun sa door.
Alin?
Yung keep this door closed. Keep this door closed. All that times.
Ulit.
Keep this door closed. That
Uy,
all.
ulit.
Keep this door closed at all times.
Ayun. What does it mean?
That means the aircon is gonna go out.
In Tagalog, what does it mean?
That means isarado mo yung pinto sa all times.
Tagalog. Ano yung Tagalog ng all times? Tagalog.
Kasi lalabas yung aircon.
Okay.
Nilalamig na naman ako. Gusto ko ilagay yung kamay ko dito. Parang wala yung kamay ko na. Ano na? Yeah.